Okay, another piece of software that you guys are going to need is ScreenCast-o-matic or any other screencasting software that you want to use. I think ScreenCast-o-matic is really easy to load. You guys are going to be loading your stuff into YouTube, and then you're going to end up sending me the links. So just go into Google search bar, and you're going to type ScreenCast-o-matic, and then you're going to type download. Okay, now we need this one right here where it says ScreenCast-o-matic softtonic.com. That's what we want. So here it is. You're going to go ahead and you're going to click the free download right here. Okay, so really all this is, it's just a way that we can capture what we're doing on the screen. You guys can talk through the stuff that you've accomplished. It works really fast compared to other software. It actually, I feel, in my opinion, it makes it faster to load up to YouTube than really almost any other software. So go ahead and just click the free download. Okay, now you could do it this version where you're signing in with Facebook or with Google Plus, or you could do your alternate download. That's how I downloaded mine. Okay, and it should pop up here once it's done. We save the file. It's going to install here. So it's downloading right here. This is the executable. You can do this if you just go to the ScreenCast-o-matic website. If you register for a free account, which that's what you guys are going to have to do, you could do it online. I've always used the desktop one. It allows you to manage your files easier, and you still are going to just load them up to YouTube. Okay, so after you have that, you're just going to hit the file. It's going to have a pop-up asking if you want to allow the install ScreenCast-o-matic to change your device. You're going to go ahead and click yes. And then it's going to bring up the setup wizard, and we go through the setup wizard. So yeah, we want to install it so anyone could use it. That's fine. And then we go through the install. Okay, and then it's going to finish, and then we can just go ahead and execute it. All right, so then when it first pops up, it's going to pop up in your manage screen. I'm recording off of it right now, so it's going to show it. But any of the videos that you have, you can actually put names for it. You don't have really editing capabilities, so you need to plan out what you're going to present. You're going to use your Trello boards, plan it out, show me your guys' stuff that you've accomplished, and then you're going to load it up to YouTube and share it with me, that video. All right?